Welcome to another tutorial on how to use the AoPGBI intranet, specifically the Members Portal. Let's dive into the functionality of the Directory tab. This offers various options to find people within our community, and can be useful for connecting with individuals who share similar backgrounds, interests, qualifications, or research areas. One of the features of the directory is the ability to see who is currently online. Although there is no one online at the moment, clicking on a member's name would allow you to start a conversation with them. Additionally, the directory enables us to search for people by specific criteria, such as country or location. For example, if we search for the name Smith, and select the United Kingdom as the country, we will see a list of all the members with the name Smith. From here, we can click on a profile to view more details or connect with that person. When connecting with someone, you can send them a message requesting a connection, similar to LinkedIn. You can also send an email directly from the portal, complete with an option to use a proper editor and attach files. The portal provides all the functionality of a dedicated email client, including an inbox, a list of sent messages, and the ability to create folders. If you have existing connections, you can send a bulk email to all of them, informing them of your intentions or inviting them to various events or activities. The Groups feature allows you to create different categories of groups, such as executive committees or internal/external affairs. Once these groups are set up, you can upload and share files, including meeting minutes, within the group. The Quick Links section provides direct access to external portals, such as our QJM, without the need to log in separately. Lastly, the Account and Settings option allows you to log out and return to your profile, where you can make updates as needed. That concludes our overview of how to find people, make connections, and communicate within the AoPGBI Intranet Members Portal. In the next video, we will explore the benefits of using groups and demonstrate how to set up a group. Thank you for watching.